In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can actually use your AT&T virtual reward card. So as you can see, this is from the support themselves. So this is from the AT&T support, and they actually write like this. You may use your AT&T Reward Visa virtual account for purchases anywhere Visa cards are accepted online, as you can see. So basically anywhere that you can actually see the Visa symbol that they accept Visa card, then you're able to use it. Funds issued on a virtual reward cannot be used for in-store purchases though, just so you know. So this is also a good thing to know, that funds issued on a virtual reward cannot be used for in-store purchases. So this is one of those things that is also good to actually know when it comes to an AT&T virtual reward card. What you can also do basically, if you're unsure on how to use it or which stores actually accept it, you can always reach out to AT&T support themselves. So you can just go to Google AT&T help, for example, or AT&T support, and you can contact them and they can clarify to you everything that you need to know about your rewards card. So I hope that this video is going to give you more clarification on how you can actually use this card.